A new day, a new opportunity. I'm here to share a proven and effective trading strategy that no one knows about. You don't need Rockefeller-level funds to test it out and make the most of it. Thanks to this strategy, my followers and I have turned our dreams into reality. Want the same results? Then watch this video till the end. I'll show you exactly how it works in action. By the way, before today's session, I already withdrew my funds. One of the biggest advantages of this platform is that there are no fees. If you have any questions or feel unsure about anything, reach out to me on Telegram. The link is in the description. I'd be happy to help. Alright friends, I've set everything up. Now it's time to choose the players. Today I'm thinking of focusing exclusively on stocks. How about that? Let's pick an indicator. My choice is RSI, which helps analyze past candle movements and predict future trends. Was that clear? If not, don't hesitate to DM me on Telegram. I'll leave the link in the comment section of this video. Looking at the chart, we can see the candle hitting a resistance level, meaning we can expect it to drop. Great, let's move on. Here I'm confidently going down from the resistance level. The indicator shows divergence. Once again, we nailed it! What a smooth move. Remember, you don't have to use everything you've got. There are risks involved. I cover that in detail on my Telegram channel. If you want to feel more confident in trading, join me there. Let's keep going. Up next, we've got the digital genius. Look at how the trend has shifted. I'm expecting a move down to the support level. Got it! This is the greatest part. By the way, my community already has over 18,000 members. Every day I stream my trading sessions live. Just today we achieved an incredible 2000x. And here's some great news. Message me now to get a promo code for a 50% bonus on your first deposit. Start today and in 2 weeks you could have a brand new iPhone in your pocket. No joke. Don't believe me? Try it for yourself. The link's in the description. This one's a no-brainer. The trend's moving towards the resistance level. Let's go up. The trend shot up confidently, as if everyone suddenly decided to invest. Remember, you can copy my every move and apply them in your own sessions. That way, you'll boost your chances of success. On average, my followers make 880 per session with me. What's going on with Intel? Here I'm going down with the trend after the correction ends. Every success lifts my spirits. Let's keep going. Hello again, Apple. Since the candle impulsively hit the level and the indicator is showing oversold conditions, let's aim for an upward move. And once again, we nailed it! Now we're on American Express. The trend has shifted downward, so let's trust it. Whoa, I just can't stop. Let's do a couple more sessions and we'll call it a day. In my community, I constantly share effective strategies and talk about market nuances. We're already 18,000. Many members join my live streams to trade alongside me, relax and enjoy a nice boost to their accounts. I trade, they follow along, and it's all smooth sailing. Check out these recent results from my club members. Don't forget to subscribe right now before it slips your mind. The link's in the description and pinned comment. Whether you want to learn under the guidance of an experienced mentor or just trade alongside me in real time, it's all up to you. We've got a bonus of the support level here. It looks like it's time to go up. Smooth and steady toward another positive result. Let's finish with what we started, our favorite, Apple. Look at the bulls charging upward. The indicator shows overbought conditions, so sooner or later it's bound to change. Bears, it's your time to shine. Fantastic result. I'm so happy. It looks like a new ring is coming on my way. Join my community to get daily access to valuable content, beginner mistake breakdowns, effective strategies, and trading tips. I'm also always available to answer your questions. Just shoot me a message. For my members, I show how to take those first steps in trading with me. You'll quickly learn all the ins and outs. Most importantly, you'll be able to practice with us. Our community is already over 18,000 strong. You'll get my entry points directly and jump into trading analysis with confidence. My members are loving it. Here's what they've been saying. Join us now. The link's in the description or pinned comment.